6 feet away, maybe, from your car. Can you sense that your car is right in front of you,
Come
baby?
on!
This thing is absolutely gorgeous.
I know it, I can't open my eyes.
Nope. We're almost ready for you to see it. Oh, you got something to do first?
Yeah, I got one thing.
yeah.
Don't open your eyes yet. Don't open your eyes yet. Can you smile?
Smile.
Just smile.
All right.
This is my last selfie.
All right, oh my goodness, this is exciting. Are you ready for this day of yours to get a whole lot better?
Yeah.